License plates here in the state of Florida say "In God We Trust," yet in practice a lot of us, we trust in guns and our own strength to protect ourselves. And there's nothing wrong with having a gun to protect yourself, because there's a lot of wicked evildoers in the world, and there's a place for that. But at the same time, I don't think every lunatic in town should be able to go buy a gun within a matter of an hour if they want to, because it puts us all in harm's way. When I go to other countries and other continents of the world, I don't see kids going out doing drills in preparation for the next gunman who's going to shoot up the school and kill all the innocent people. So there definitely needs to be some change in the United States and some more background checks to ensure the lunatics and the people in the mental ward don't just come out and buy a gun, or every unemployed, pissed off person can access arms to go out and kill someone. So God help us to get it together and improve the mental health of our people in our country, and not demonize and dehumanize one another, so we can thereby work together, get along, love one another, and restore peace and order and civil society to our nation, so our children don't have to live in fear and be worried about locking down or running out of the school every time it seems like a lunatic is on the loose. So there definitely needs to be more peace and safety for children in society, in our schools. So God help us to get it together and get some leaders with a backbone who don't just sell out and cave to the NRA for the next lobbyist who fills their pocket with cash.